Hello friends, this is Gopinath. Today I am going to show how to use the sketch analysis. Generally, we are facing the problem on sketching is we are not able to see the open loop in the sketch in visual. We have the option to find the open loops. Now I draw the rectangular and rectangular over to the line. Draw the two circles, tangent line, one more tangent line have to draw. Now I go to the sketch analysis, click the sketch analysis icon. We can see the open loops. Here highlight the open loops automatically. We can find easily in sketch open loops. Now I try to execute the sketch. Here show the error. Again click the sketch. Again click the sketch analysis. Here itself we can delete the extra lines. And here I close open loop, exit workbench. Thanks for watching.